Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for my Social Security account. Visit SSA.gov on a secure device, select Create an Account, enter your personal details, create a strong username and password, verify your identity with required documents, set up two-factor authentication, and review terms before submitting. Keep a record of your credentials and contact Social Security if you encounter any issues during registration. I'll walk through the documents and identity checks you need to finish enrollment. Gather your Social Security number, birth certificate or passport, current mailing address, and an active email. Ensure your name matches official records, have a mobile phone for verification codes, and prepare any tax forms if requested. Follow on-screen prompts carefully, do not share passwords, and contact support if a verification step fails to complete. Keep timestamps of calls for reference. Next, I will explain security tips and account recovery options to protect your account. Use unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Set security questions carefully. Update your contact info promptly after changes. Enroll a trusted backup phone or email. Review your statement regularly for unfamiliar activity. Create strong answers that are not easily guessed, and save recovery codes in a secure place offline to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.